Forestville is a hidden gem in our Russian River area here in Sonoma County. And I want to introduce you to this century house located just minutes from Forestville and the river. Forestville is known for its cute shops, its cuisine, and its close proximity to the Russian River, where you can enjoy tons of recreational activities. I hope you enjoyed this tour of my newest listing here in Forestville. If you want a private showing or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and thanks for watching.